Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Meet Ali and Zainab, two ordinary kids living in an ordinary world. But one day something extraordinary happened.
Look at his shoes.
He's so dirty always. I hate him.
That's not right. We should say something.
We'll get picked on too. Just ignore it.
Ali wanted to help. Zainab hesitated. It was easier to stay quiet. And that's when something happened.
Where are we? What is this place?
They had entered a moment from history, a place where silence wasn't an option, a place called Karbala. They saw men, women, and even children, all calm, all brave, and all ready to stand with truth, even if it cost them everything.
When you know you're standing for what's right, fear disappears.
Even when we lose everything, we never lose our courage or our dignity.
In Karbala, Ali and Zainab didn't just watch, they learned.
Death is sweeter than honey when it's for truth.
I can't drink while the children are thirsty.
Even those who were wrong can change if they choose the path of truth.
Karbala wasn't just about swords or battles. It was about values that never grow old.
Ali, we have to say something.
That's not okay. Leave him alone.
We're all the same here. You don't need to laugh at someone to feel important.
They didn't win a battle, but they stood up, and that made all the difference.
Do you think they'll listen?
Maybe, maybe not. But now, I know what it means to be Hussaini.
You don't need a battlefield to be part of Karbala. You just need a heart that knows what's right, and the courage to stand for it.